just inches away from one of Africa's deadliest predators. These birds keep walking as if nothing is wrong. The crocodile barely moves. It doesn't need to. Every second, it waits with incredible patience, knowing that one careless step could change everything. The birds seem calm, completely unaware of the danger lying beside them. Then, the tension reaches its peak. In the wild, survival isn't always about strength. Sometimes it's about perfect timing. Do you think the crocodile gets its chance? Watch until the end. And if you love real wildlife moments, subscribe to Nature's Undertow for daily adventures from the wild.